do like a couple jumping jacks just to start sweating again, feeling fast. All right.
A few moments later.
What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning into this video, and today we are going to be talking about stretches. So in today's video we are going to be focusing on some of the key stretches to do after running. I'm a former runner. I used to run at the University of Rhode Island, D1 track and field athlete. My time was 47 low in the open 400 meter dash. I have years of track experience. I was a 3-time All-American in high school. So I'm just showing you guys some of the things that I've learned along the way, and hopefully you guys can, you know, put this into your own workout routine. All right, guys, so we're gonna be jumping straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite stretches to do, some of the most important stretches to be doing after a workout. You wanna make sure that you're stretching your hamstrings, your quads, your calves, and you just wanna get all the major muscle groups, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right here. All right, guys, so we're gonna be jumping straight into it with my first stretch that I like to do after a run. So this is a simple stretch, so simple, you know, left leg tucked and right leg pointing out. And you guys can do this with me as well. So we're gonna simply raise our chest up and lean forward and grab onto our right foot and just hold. So I would hold this for about 10 seconds. 10 to 20 seconds depending on how deep of a stretch you want to get into. So we'll hold. And guys, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your back is straight. You don't want to have a hunched over back. You want your back to be upright and leaning forward. Okay guys, now we're just going to switch to the other side. You can hold this for 10 seconds, you can hold this for 15 seconds. Just make sure that you're getting a stretch. Okay guys, so after focusing on each hamstring individually, we're gonna open our legs and now stretch to one side and then the other. Same routine, 10 to 30 seconds is fine. All right, switch sides. Okay, guys, so please, when you're doing these stretches, you want to make sure that you're keeping the focus on your hamstrings. These are very, very deep hamstring stretches. So you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of each and every stretch. So now, simply just bend forward, touch your toes. You don't have to be able to touch your toes, just go as far as you can. I've been running track for a long time, I've been stretching for a long time, so I can touch my toes. Okay guys, good. So now we're gonna start focusing on our hips, because it's very important to stretch your hips as well as your hamstrings. So the next step in my basic stretch routine is to put my right leg over my left leg and just hug my knee. You should feel a stretch right around your butt area, and we're just gonna hold this for about 10 seconds. All right, and then switch, obviously. And just hold and hug your knee. Right, keep your back upright, and you should feel the stretch in your hip. It's very important to open your hips up, guys, because running puts a lot of stress on your hips. All right guys, so following a hip stretch, next we'll open up our spine a bit as well. Make sure we're not hunched over, and to do that, we're gonna put our right leg over our left leg and simply put our right arm over our left knee and slowly turn. Breathe, inhale, and slowly exhale. All right, switch sides. Boom, boom. Same routine. now we've stretched our hamstrings, we've opened up our hips, and our spine is also warmed up as well. So now we're gonna go into the deeper stretches that are also crucially important for runners. All right guys, so we're gonna be doing lunges next. I'll show you guys how to properly do lunges, right? I'd like to start on my knees, put my back upright, and then just lift my leg up like so, right? You wanna have a strong, firm stance even though you're not standing. Your spine is upright, your back foot should be tucked on the floor like this, right? It shouldn't be down. It can be down, but it's better for your posture to have your back foot tucked upwards. So now we're just going to lean forward into this lunge, and we should feel the stretch in our right hamstring. I'm sorry, in our right quad. There you go. And these are all very deep stretches, guys, so you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of these stretches. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure that you're breathing. And now, this might be a little bit tricky for some people, but we're going to take our right foot and catch it with our hand. Oh, you lose your balance, it's okay. And then slowly pull your leg upwards. So it's going to look like this. Ready? And hold this position. You should feel a stretch in your quad, loosening up your quad muscles. And hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, come down slowly, and then just switch. Right, so now we're switching legs, leaning forward. Right. Keeping good posture, keeping our back upright, and just leaning into it. Okay, now just grab your back foot again and hug it. Alright guys. Into the final portion of our stretching routine, and these are going to be standing stretches.